Well, the Barossa Valley is well known for all the amazing wineries on offer. There's something else that's pretty sweet and exciting out here that's fairly new to the Barossa. Want to know what it is? Let's go have a look. It's the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company. Yum!
Welcome to the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company. We're a brand new tourism destination for young and old. Fun for all is our tagline, Ethan, so welcome. We're open every day, 7 days a week, making delicious fresh chocolate, ice cream and serving all sorts of delicious treats for everyone to enjoy. As you can see, we have got a shop full of just about every chocolate under the sun.
Here at the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company, you could think you were standing in the Barossa's very own version of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. With over 250 different chocolicious products, there's got to be a chocolate here for everyone. They've even got their own chocolate waterfall.
Not only can you eat chocolate and test all of our chocolate samples in the shop when you come to the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company, but you can come and eat in our cafe. And we've got a beautiful family-friendly cafe, again open 7 days a week. We serve delicious, decadent, hot chocolates and milkshakes. We do a most amazing milkshake. We're family-friendly, we've got something for everyone. Come and enjoy a beautiful homemade pizza, or why not try one of our beautiful decadent chocolate cakes. So a trip to the Barossa would not be complete without tasting a wine, and you can do that here at the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company. We've got our own cellar door with a range of wines from sparklings, rosés and red wines, and we've matched them with chocolate. But even wait, we've got something for the children. We've got 3 Bickford's cordials matched with our smiley plate full of chocolate. Just perfect. Not only do we make chocolate at Barossa Valley Chocolate Company and have a cellar door and a cafe, we've got an ice creamery as well. So we have all of the beautiful gelatis in-house every day. We've got some of our signatures here, our chocolate ice cream with our own Belgium chocolate through the ice cream. We've got an amazing honeycomb made with the local honey, and of course our caramelised white chocolate, absolutely delicious.
All of these tasty treats are made right here in the Barossa Valley. When you visit, you can get a little sneak peek of what goes on behind the scenes as the chocolatiers, what a job title that is, make up delicious products. But I was lucky enough to get a tour behind the glass to see what goes on inside the chocolate factory.
Welcome to the production kitchen. We're going to go and see where all the good stuff happens and where they make the chocolate. But first, we've got to get you geared up.
After we found a hairnet big enough for my afro, my cameraman and I were dressed up, ready to head inside the kitchen.
So we're going into the heart and soul of our chocolate kitchen here at Barossa Valley Chocolate Company. This is where our chocolatiers make all of our chocolate products, just over 1 tonne a week at this stage, and all of our delicious gelati or ice cream. So come on in, we've got lots to see. First thing you notice is the smell. How good does it smell in here? Chocolate for days, so let's have a look. This is where we start. We melt our chocolates in the big melting tanks. Have a look at that milk chocolate. Only this was smell-o-vision. So we've been hard at work today making Rocky Road, one of our best-selling products. Milk chocolate Rocky Roads. And here's Hayden, our Rocky Road expert, with his freshly made tray of Rocky Roads. So we've got Angela over here, and she's moulding some of our chocolate bars. What flavour are you making today, Ange?
Lemon and raspberry.
Lemon and raspberry. It is one of our best sellers. So Ange is hand piping into the mould. So Ange is putting it on the vibrating plate. We don't want any air bubbles in there. We want it to be nice and smooth and look beautiful when you purchase your block of chocolate. Then in the trolley to set. Tomorrow that'll go down to the packaging team at the back and they'll wrap and pack it and pop it in a box, and you can come and buy it tomorrow afternoon. And then to finish off our chocolate, we come down, it has to be packed. And we pack everything by hand here at Barossa Valley Chocolate Company. We tie everything up into our bags or our boxes. It's all hand ribboned, hand stickered, and it really is a unique product for the Barossa Valley. You won't find this anywhere else in the Barossa.
The Barossa Valley Chocolate Company is such an exciting place for all families to check out on your visit to the Barossa. They're located just 5 minutes from Tanunda, so be sure to come and have a sweet time here at the Barossa Valley Chocolate Company.